You remember the 12 days of Christmas, right? On the first day, the true love sends their lover a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day, they send a partridge in a pear tree plus 2 turtle doves. Each day, the same items as the previous day are sent, plus a new group of items. On the third day, we add 3 French hens, then 4 calling birds, 5 gold rings, 6 geese a-laying, 7 swans a-swimming, 8 maids a-milking, 9 ladies dancing, 10 lords a-leaping, 11 pipers piping, and finally on the 12th day, 12 drummers drumming. So leaving aside the cost of the people and birds, we ask, how many gifts were given in total? Let's find a slick mathematical way to do this besides tedious counting. First, how many gifts were given on each day? 1 on the first, 3 on the second, 6 on the third, etc. This pattern is contained in one of the most important structures of numbers, Pascal's triangle. There are just 2 basic properties that you need to know. First, each row begins and ends with a 1. Second, adding 2 numbers that are side by side produces the value below the 2 numbers. So for example, 1 and 3 make 4, or 5 and 10 make 15. Now go back to the number of gifts given on each day. On the 5th day, for example, we had these gifts. On day 1, we have 1 gift. Using Pascal's triangle, on day 2 we have 1 partridge in a pear tree plus 2 turtle doves, making 3. On day 3 we add 3 French hens to the 3 current gifts to get 6. On day 4, 6 plus 4 makes 10, and on day 5, 10 plus 5 makes 15. In fact, this line of numbers tells us how many gifts were given on each day. Not surprisingly, these numbers are called the triangular numbers. So how many gifts were given in total? To count these, we could stack the gifts given on each day. Now use Pascal's triangle to track the total number of gifts given. After 1 day, there is 1 gift. After 2 days, there is 1 from day 1 plus the 3 given on day 2, making a total of 4. After 3 days, there are 4 from before, plus 6 on day 3, making 10. After 4 days, there are 10 plus 10, making 20. So what we've seen is that this line gives the number of gifts on each day, while this line gives the running total number of gifts. Because the gifts stack nicely into a tetrahedron, these numbers are called the tetrahedral numbers. This means that the 12th tetrahedral number, 364, is the total number of gifts given over the 12 days of Christmas. So we can accumulate 1 gift each day of the year and relax on Christmas Day.